What's going on, everyone? Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you guys are having a great day so far. Today, we are going to be taking a first look and a basic review of the Ticwatch E smartwatch and see what features and options it has to offer. This watch goes for about $80 depending on the website and seller that you choose to get it from. I will have my eBay affiliate link down below, which will take you to trusted sellers on eBay, and I will earn a commission at no extra cost to you if you decide to use my affiliate link to purchase this watch after this video. Now, before we begin, please do make sure to subscribe and like this video, as I will be keeping you guys updated on the latest gadgets, electronics, and smartwatches. If you guys do want to see any specific items, please do leave me a comment below. I can see if I can post a review for you on those items. Now let's take a look and dive right into this Ticwatch E. Now, this is the package it comes with. It's a metallic box, which is pretty unique for the most part, as I have not seen a lot of watches come in a metallic package. Actually, this is the only one I've seen. And since I have not reviewed any other Ticwatches, this is the first metallic package I have ever received on a smartwatch. Now, let's take a look at the watch itself. Now, the watch itself looks really low-key, very standard silicone band, and somewhat of a metallic, and I think it's more of a plastic case here. But overall, it looks very low-key and casual. But it does feel very light. That I do like. I don't really like heavy watches, so this does fit my preference so far. Let's see how it feels after I put it on. So after I put it on, it feels very light, like it already felt before I had put it on itself. So now this is how it looks. I don't feel like it's too big or too small. I do think this is somewhat of a unisex watch. I think it could fit both guys and ladies. Now let's take a look at what exactly it has to offer. First things first, I like to see what kind of watch faces it comes with. So I would like to do that, you would actually swipe right or left from the default watch face, and these are some of the watch faces it comes with. I do like the interface so far. It does not seem like it seems like everything is running pretty smoothly, as you guys can tell. Nothing is really lagging. So these are some of the default watch faces it comes with. If you would like to see more watch faces, simply go to that option. I don't know why they don't just put these watch faces right into the previous screen, because it's kind of redundant here. But instead, they're putting it on another screen and making you go into an additional option. Okay. So, do this. If you want to see more watch faces, and if you want to add another watch face, you will simply click the watch face you want to add to your inventory, and now it's on your shortlist instead of going to another option. Now, let's take a look at what exactly the other directions of swiping from the default watch face has to offer. Now, if you swipe right and left, that will take you to watch faces, which is kind of redundant with the theme, like I have been mentioning. Swipe down, that is your basic options and status, such as brightness of the screen settings, speakers, airplane mode, and I think this do not disturb mode. Have not really tried what that is. Now let's take a look at swipe down. Swiping down will give you your system updates, which is I don't like that as a quick option. I would like something more useful instead of seeing system updates. In my opinion, I think they could have just put this onto either the top screen or something and made it into one of the options, so I can actually swipe down and find something more useful. Now, let's take a look at some of the options on the apps list. Okay, so you do that by actually pressing the button on the side right here. It will take you to the options and the apps available. So it's a very Google type of feel. As you guys can see, there's the Play Store there, and some of the options I like to actually take a look at would be the fitness options. Okay, the fitness options, the health options. Let's take a look at what's in the health options. So it actually does require you to download an additional app to use some of these apps, and that is the Ticwatch app. So first thing is to actually download the Android Wear app. But it seems like if we actually want to access some of these additional apps, that will require me to actually download the additional app, which is the Ticwatch app, which, you know, that is also a little redundant as well. I'm just wondering why they can't have everything on one app. And, you know, that just made things a little more complicated and redundant, like I keep mentioning. So yes, let's take a look at one more time. Yes, the Ticwatch app. Okay. So do you keep that in mind, that both the Android Wear app is required and the Ticwatch app is also required to actually use some of these other apps available. Now let's take a look at what I was mentioning, some of the other health options, such as the heart rate monitor, which is one of the more essential, actually the most essential function to me in a fitness tracker. So this is how you get your heart rate per minute. Let's see how it works. It should come back within 20 minutes and let me know my BPM. So that's how you get your heart rate reading. And there are other options here, so you can actually download additional apps from the Play Store, just like Google. So this concludes my very short review of the Ticwatch itself. I hope you guys have found it helpful. All in all, I do think this watch could work on the interface part to actually make the user's life easier, such as adding better options to its shortlist, such as swiping up and down and getting just better options available that's right off the bat instead of having redundant options, as you guys can see. But aside from that, I do like the feel of the watch. I like the look of the watch. It's very light. It's something I could feel like I could wear outside of a fitness setting. I don't mind going out and wearing this watch at all because it's just very comfortable to wear. So I do think it's worth the $80 in my opinion after reviewing quite a bit of smartwatches. You guys let me know what you think. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys next time.